the few hiccups that we had are not statistically significant. For those of us who are researchers, who have done research, who don't make noise without background, if you want to understand who is talking to you, go and check what the person has done. So we had a few issues in very few centers, some centers in Kakamega, some in Kitui, some in Makueni, and I'm told also in Kwale. I as a researcher and a scholar, have failed to understand the issues. The law as it works in Kenya today, there is nobody who is above the law, including my most humble self. So if you choose out of your own volition to break the law and pass somebody's space, it is not for me to decide. I am not a law enforcement agent. That is another arm of government. And I want to assure you that the government of Kenya is alive and is doing what it has to do. No teacher has been forced to come to this training. Now, when they have come to the training on their own volition, I think the constitutional space allows that you give each other a space, isn't it? You don't cross the space and say, now, you get out, because I can't think for you, you can't think for me.